See, this prophecy is mentioned in Zabur after Zikr. So the Holy Quran also has taken it up to establish the fact that this is a prophecy which will be fulfilled, and this prophecy, although is originally found in Zabur, but also the Holy Quran testifies to its truth. And during that prophecy, Palestine at that time was unthinkable that Palestine will go to the hands of the Jews. Unbelievable. 1400 years ago, imagine, how could you imagine that Palestine will go to Jews? So things changed and changed until among Akhreen, in our age, Palestine was taken over by the Jews. But the prophecy had a ray of hope as well for the Muslims, if they understood it. It said that only those will get Palestine who in the sight of Allah are ibadus salihin, not by sword. You just can't get Palestine back by sword. You have to become ibadus salih. Then you will become really, then you will be entitled to go back to Palestine or capture Palestine. So I believe that according to the present day, either the Palestinian Muslims become Saleh and they become Ahmadis as well, so inshallah no problem will be left at all, or we wait for the time when Ahmadiyya, according to these prophecies, will spread far and wide, and in Palestine also inshallah will be bestowed the fulfillment of this prophecy.
You just mentioned that if the dhikr in this verse meant the Quran, the verse says that this prophecy was mentioned in the Zabur after the dhikr.
I think it was done in Zabur itself. This is what I said, that zikr is founded in Zabur. Hazrat Dawood praises Allah and sings his praises and then prophesies about this. So after zikr originally belongs to the Quran, but the Quran is zikr itself. So but there is no after it. So I think it refers to the Zabur, Zikr Zabur. And Palestine is also inherited by the Jews in the name of David. You remember that they say it is David's kingdom which is going to be spread. So David himself had prophesied after zikr that we will do, but God will punish them later on.